Hello, and welcome to video 1 in a set of videos for MAPP 3D assignment number 3. These videos are for the Sound Reinforcement and Speaker Systems course at Husson University. I am the teacher, Eric Ferguson, and in the course we learn the Meyer Sound MAPP 3D program, which allows you to do loudspeaker prediction. And there's a set of assignments. That's what these MAPP 3D assignments are all about, learning the software and learning about loudspeakers. This particular assignment is very, very important. It is the one where students insert line arrays into the system and learn how to angle them and optimize them for a specific venue. And so if you're here watching this, I welcome you to come through all the videos and go through all the steps and learn how to articulate a line array. Very important, please do some experimentations, follow the videos. You are welcome to download the PDF document as well as the template map file to work with from YouTube if you're out there on the internet doing this. And of course, students, these template and PDF are available in Canvas for you. I've made a whole set of tutorial videos. This is number 1. And find that file. The template file. It is a drawing of the Gracie Theater. Now, students, you should have drawn this in class, and please use your drawing. But for those of you out on the internet, you can download this file, and I should have linked to it to the website I believe it's a Dropbox site with all the PDFs and the drawing down below. So please access that. Once you have this file, open it up, and we're going to need to save it. I'm going to save it in a folder here I've created called Test Build for Videos. And students, you need to name your file a particular way, MAPP 3D, MAPP number 3, your name 01. And we're going to do that right here. And so, of course, my name is Eric. So I'm just going to do that, MAPP. And very important here while you're working with MAPP is that it is kind of a buggy program. It's been buggy since its inception. Hope someday, hopefully, Meyer will sort that out, and it tends to crash or corrupt your files, that sort of thing. So it's really important that you save regularly as different versions. I'll save as 02, 03, 04. I'll keep all the old ones around, and if I have a problem, I will go back in time to the earlier version. So I really recommend you do that so you don't lose all your work. Next thing is we're going to need to set up our views so we can get around in MAPP. You can change your views up here. There's a bunch of presets, like this is the front view or right view or whatever. And you have presets. I use preset 1 here as the isometric view, the 3D view, isometric view 1, and there it is. And so I'm just going to, I just moved the stage a little bit. No good. So I'm going to, get that the way I like it and kind of zoom in a little bit. That was Command plus, zooming in there. And whatever I've done here is saved in view preset number 1. View preset number 2, I like to see the venue from the left. I'm going to zoom out here. You can zoom out using the zoom tool over here, but I've also learned it as Command plus or minus. So I get the venue the way I want to see it from the right side, from the left side, and so this is also now stored as view preset number 2. View preset number 1, of course, is still isometric. View preset 3, I like top-down, and that is top-down plan view. I'm going to zoom out slightly, and so I can see the entire venue. So now I've got my view presets all set up. What is next? I'm going to set some preferences here. I think it's really important that you set preferences so your drawings and predictions look like those in the instructions here and in the tutorial videos. The upper left of the map, you want to set gen level to 0 and to pink noise, as the file has it set already. And then we're going to open up the preferences. They're under File, Project Settings, or Command-Shift-P on a Mac. And I'm going to set these things to imperial settings. I live in America, so I'm going to set distance to feet, the weight limit to pounds, the temperature to Fahrenheit. I don't really care about the pressure unit. Also going to go over to SPL here. Make sure it's set to 3 dB per color. Doesn't look as good, but far more useful when building arrays. And for SPL here, I've changed the default settings, and that's what all the pictures are following. So you want them to be SPL with a max value of 105 and a min value of 25. And that's just how I have set it. You can set it differently, but your colors will look different than the drawings. Now that is set, hit apply, hit OK, And we should be ready to go. I'm going to hit save and dive in the next video for inserting the main array. Thank you very much. See you in a moment.